Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want to receive your Vinted earnings. So you will need to add a bank account to withdraw your balance. So this step is required for any seller within the app or within the website. So into this small tutorial, we're going to go through how to actually add a bank account on Vinted in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So if you are using Android or iOS, you should go through the Vinted app, log in using your email address and password, all of them information to access your profile. Otherwise, we're going to go to vinted.com. So we're going to go through this, open the website, then go all the way and log in using your email address and password. As for now, I'm going to go tap on profile, then go all the way to settings. Then I'm going to go to I'm gonna go actually to payments. So as you see here, the payout options, add bank account. All I'm gonna do now is tap on add bank account, then enter your IBAN or bank details. Then confirm and save. As for an important note, make sure the bank account name matches your Vinted account name fully. Then double check your IBAN before submitting. Some regions may require identity verification as well, so keep it in mind basically. Then add your bank details before making sales so you can withdraw instantly once funds are fully clear. And that's the whole idea, as I always tell you. So if you are using the app, it's the same steps. Go log in into the profile, then tap on settings, select the payout or payment options, add your bank account details and save it. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.